when it comes to social media, everyone wants in on action. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Google Plus are highly active social media networks. So in this video, you are going to learn 10 best ways to grow your social media network fast as a teenager, coming up right now. What's up, beautiful city? It's a bonus for you another video. So now, if you're new to this channel, we talk about everything teenagers, how to practice and strategies on how you can groom yourself and generate an income while grooming yourself. So consider subscribing and click on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Having a good or great social media presence can help your teenage life grow like wildflower. But this will only happen when you develop a large following audience and give them what they want. Here are some great ways any teenager or young adult can increase their social media presence and get like 100,000 followers in all their social media platforms. So I'm going to start with identify goals and objectives. The first step in growing your social media presence is to identify your goals and objectives. This means make sure you know what you are going after before you start posting. Ensure you know how each platform works and what audience you can reach, where and what your objectives are, and you'll be off to a great start. Tip number 2, let them know you are human. This can sound weird, but let your followers or friends see a softer side. This means interacting with all your social media accounts often.
Very often.
This doesn't mean going up a link on your post like I do and hoping someone will read it or click on it. This means really getting on there and interact with everyone. Respond to posts from followers or friends and interact with them when you show interest. Show them who you are, and your followers or friends will feel more connected to you and they will want to like, comment and share your posts. Link your profile to your website. Let me explain. Link your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or any of your social media profiles to your website or blog. Just like you provide links on your website to your social media, you also want to link to your website so people can learn more about you like I do in my YouTube channel. Share with everyone. Share your social media accounts with everyone you know. Don't be spammy, but don't be afraid to share. By doing this, your followers will know you have a presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. and they will share them with everyone they know. This is a simple way to grow your social media fast. Note this, great and integrated social media strategy. You want to make sure each social media network you are involved in serves a purpose. You can ensure this by starting a marketing or posting calendar. Make sure you add all your upcoming events, posts and everything else you decide to do in your life to that calendar. This will help you stay more organized and understand how each of your social media will bring in more untapped followers to your social media. Producing valuable content is another way of growing your social media. You also want to ensure that you are producing the most valuable content, not only on your Facebook account but on all your social media networks. Having the best content will help you showcase your life and website, which brings in more followers or friends and also more money. Use hashtags often. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with this hashtag stuff, but hashtags are now in this day and people are using them to get more people to their social medias and websites. Using hashtags on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Google Plus will help you bring in more people to your social media accounts and websites, but use them carefully. Don't finish every post with 15 unrelated hashtags like this. They are not related. Provide a benefit to your audience. People who visit your social media pages or website are asking, "What's in for me?" Show them by giving something away for free.
Away for free.
Something designed to draw them into your social media accounts by building trust and peak interest. Consider giving away a free book, a discount code, or even liking their page back. This will help you earn valuable followers who will stay engaged. Another important way to grow your social media fast as a teenager is to post consistently. This is the key to the door of growing your social media. Like everyone knows, consistency is the key in growing on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even on YouTube. This means you should post often at an affordable rate. If you have to, you can always schedule your post in advance so you don't leave your followers or friends hanging. And the last but not the least is give them a reason. This is super cool. You know what? Wait. Give your followers or friends a reason to like your page and follow you on Twitter. Please like this video. Show them you will be posting often and post interesting updates often. This will give them a reason to engage with you and also engage with everyone who posts on your social media pages. This means when someone posts something, talk back to them. Let them know you are reading to what they are posting and listening to what they want. Then give them more of what they want to keep posting on your pages. Question of the day: what are the ways you grow your social media, and how long did it take you to get to 1,000 followers? Let me know on the comment section below. Also, if you have any contribution to this topic, leave it on the comment section. Let's chit chat. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up. It will mean the world to me if you do. And also please subscribe for more videos like this. And also remember, we are helping you groom yourself and also generate an income by grooming yourself.